Hey, what's up guys? So if you're looking for utility knife, this is a perfect one for you. Very light. It's a 4-piece folding utility knife set with 14 extra blades. Comes in a nice little small box like this. Okay. Get it open. You can see that it comes with your extra blades right here. Got them right there. And these are 4 different colors. So you have a yellow one. So you can see the plastic, it's not too bad. It's pretty nice. It has a lock, so you can hear it lock right in. Cannot bring it down. You gotta press here, bring it down. Okay. You have this little button right here. Just release the blades. Black one. And pinkish reddish. For the price, you can't go wrong. So this is what you will get when you buy this. All the same way. Very nice. Look at that. Very nice. And love that it comes with extra blades. Perfect.